Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet on laptop, updated. First, decide whether you'll use a browser extension or a mobile emulator and ensure your laptop has updated security software. Create or import a wallet using a secure environment, never share your recovery phrase, and choose strong passwords. I will walk you through installing a trusted extension, connecting hardware wallets, and safely sending and receiving crypto using clear, step-by-step guidance. Start by selecting the install method that matches your comfort level and security needs. If you prefer a browser workflow, search for a trusted extension and verify its developer and permissions carefully. For a mobile-like experience, set up an Android emulator and install the official Trust Wallet APK from a verified source. After installation, configure privacy settings, enable biometric or password locks if available, and create or import your wallet using your recovery phrase securely. When using Trust Wallet on laptop, prioritize small routine habits that reduce risk. Double-check recipient addresses and transaction details before you sign anything. Use hardware wallets for larger balances and enable additional authentication layers where possible. Keep your operating system, browser, and emulator updated and run regular malware scans. If a prompt or site seems suspicious, pause and verify through official Trust Wallet channels or hardware wallet confirmation before proceeding with any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.